The esports scene in India has improved significantly in the past few years. In fact, if you go to YouTube or Facebook these days, you will find hundreds of digital creators live streaming their gameplay for the audience. PUBG, GTA, FIFA, RDR2, God of War, all these games are available on PC as well as gaming consoles like PlayStation or Xbox. And if you have one of these, you can start playing these games on your PC and get the same feel as playing on a gaming console. Hello friends, my name is Sourav and today I am going to give you the overall review of RedGear Pro Series Gamepad. So let's get started. So this is the wired version of the gamepad. It also comes in a wireless version which comes with a dongle which you can connect on your laptop or PC and play the games remotely using the gamepad. And this is the wired version, so you have to connect the USB wire which comes with this and you can just simply plug and play. So let's unbox it and see what's inside. To be honest, this is not a new one. I have been using this device for almost a year. So yeah, so just to be clear, the square box contains only this gamepad and some documentation. As you can see, the gamepad is this, and you can see the wire. The box is it's 1.8 meters long. So that's pretty long for a gamepad. I mean, you are not going to stay sit too far from your laptop screen or desktop, so that is pretty long for a wired gamepad. So the gamepad has 11 digital keys and 2 analog triggers, as you can see, 2 analog sticks, and there are also the LTRT button just like the gamepad you will have for PlayStation or Xbox, and there is also the illuminated ABXY keys just like the gamepad of other gaming consoles, and there are buttons like back, home, start, and there's a dedicated key for turbo. So if your game supports turbo mode, you can activate the turbo mode directly from the gamepad, and that's about it. One of the major reasons I prefer the wired gamepad over the wireless one, because the response time in this is pretty on point and you do not need to charge it separately, which is a big plus for such devices. The gamepad weighs only 205 grams and the ergonomic design of this device makes it easier for you to play games with it for a longer period of time. And this also has rubber panels on both the handles which offer better gripping, and even though it is made out of plastic, the build quality is pretty nice. The only complaint you can say I have for this is that they could have used braided cables instead of this one. I mean, it is of decent quality, but braided cables are better for durability. The vibration motors used in this gamepad are extremely efficient. I mean, I have played games like Batman Arkham Asylum, Asphalt, Need for Speed and others, and whenever you are in action in your game, so it offers really great haptic feedback, so which improves the overall gaming experience. Currently the gamepad is available on Amazon for the price of $11.99. However, if you want the wireless version, you will have to spend 500 rupees more. And for the price, I think this is the best gamepad available on the internet right now. And so yeah, that was my review of this Pro Series gamepad from RedGear. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who may find it useful. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to it. I publish tech related videos on a regular basis. Until next time, stay awesome and thanks for watching.